Our first one goes out to the hunters. What you need to take with you, especially if you are royalty and you're going out hunting, you need to take your horn players, or else how are you going to smoke the fox out? But to play this first movement of the Strauss E-flat horn concerto, she's kind of new to the area, so people don't know about her yet. So I'm glad that we're one of the first people to get her. She is the former principal horn of the Omaha Symphony, Tricia Justlein. Last year I said that we were treating you like kings and queens, so what could possibly be better than that? So we decided on the Emperor Waltz. This is a treatment of the Grateful Dead's music by composer Lee Johnson. And if you clap loud enough at the end, we'll get the composer to come on up and take a bow. So don't worry, wait until you hear it first. We begin with movement 0, and that involves just the string quartet. We hope you enjoy. Charles plays with us in the trumpet section. He's a very talented composer and performer. And last year we had a young violinist play with us, and this is Charles's time. So take it away. You're going to put us to sleep before we go and grab a drink to bring us back to life, will you? Thank you. Join us as we start at the headwaters of the Mississippi and end up in New Orleans. So I guess they have their own muddy river. So we're going to emulate that with a little of the Blue Danube Waltz for you. this is about as close as you can get to the hoedown. And so we're going to do a little hoedown, but I understand that for the dinner here, there was no beef, so we'll have to change that for next time. You'll get the joke in a minute. I wanted to do something really special last year, and so we ended the concert with Old Man River. And they wouldn't let me get away this year without doing it.
There's an old man called the Mississippi. That's the old man that I'd like to be. What does he care if the world's got problems? What does he care if the land ain't free? He don't plant taters, he don't plant cotton, and them that plants them is soon forgotten. But old man River, he just keeps rolling
Ladies and gentlemen, your Alton Symphony Orchestra. Oh my goodness, you're very kind. Thank you all. I'll tell you when you can thank us by coming to our concerts next year. We have a blockbuster season in store, and who knows if I get the spirit maybe next year, maybe I'll add Some Enchanted Evening to the repertoire. Ooh. We'll have to see about that. Well, anyway, thank you all for coming. Enjoy the Nature Institute. Thank you, Nature Institute, everyone. And thank you for coming. And we'll see you next season. Have a great and healthy summer.
Yes.